Hi, how you doing? So today what we've got is we've got a whole chicken cooked with lemongrass, ginger, star anise. It's sweet and very garlicky. It's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got one whole chicken there. That's 1.1 kg, so 2.3 pounds. I'll give it a little wash. Trimmed, the end of the wings off and a little bit of the fat and the bum. That's in water, cold water. Here we've got star anise. There's one whole one there. Probably 2 or 3 star anise. Some ginger. Some salt. And some lemongrass. Now I've got 4 pieces of lemongrass and trimmed it up, and then what I've done is I've just smashed it with the back of my knife to sort of break it out and get that absolutely gorgeous fragrance released. We're going to put the heat on. We're going to bring it to boiling point, then I'm going to get it on a rolling boil for about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so we're going to turn the heat off now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the chicken out and set it to one side, and then we're going to take all the bits out. I'm going to, stick the water through a colander, and we're going to keep the water. We're going to use that because, one, the chicken is now full of incredible flavors, especially with the lemongrass, and 2, the water is a beautiful stock. Okay, so we've got a wok here, or a kind of pan you're going to need. I've got some oil in there. I'm just using the sunflower oil today. I've got about 3 tablespoons. The heat's on fairly high. I'm going to drop in 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. And a small amount of onion. Like 1 stalk or small little bit of celery. 1 red chili, which is not supremely hot. It's kind of hot, but it's not crazy hot. Okay, highest heat, 3 minutes. So we've just got some nice colour on there. Okay, we're going to add quite a few different liquids now. We're going to start off with half a cup of sriracha, or a sweet Thai chili sauce. Half a cup of ketchup. Half a cup of a dark soy. 1 tablespoon fish sauce. A nice big pinch of black pepper. We're not adding salt to this because there's plenty of salt from the fish sauce and the soy. And then our lemongrass boiled stock. That was maybe just under a pint, maybe a pint. Okay, on a high heat, just let that go for about 2 to 3 minutes. That is a really, really fabulous mixture there. Okay, we're going to put the heat to low now, to about a simmer. We're now going to grab our chicken, put that in. We're going to spoon it around. Nice low simmer now. Lid goes on. I'm going to let it go for about 8 minutes. Halfway through, in 4 minutes, I'm going to flip that chicken over. You've done it. Delicious. Again, that's really beautiful. Green onions around the edge, sesame seeds over the top. Beautiful with some rice. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.